If you're planning a trip and want to save money on accommodation, Airbnb can be a great option if you know how to use it smartly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find cheap Airbnb stays step by step, even if you've never used the platform before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for budget-friendly stays, compare options, and use a few simple tricks to get the best deals. First, open your web browser and go to the Airbnb website, or open the Airbnb app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see a search bar. Start by entering your destination where you want to stay. After that, select your check-in and check-out dates, and then choose the number of guests. Once you've entered all the details, click the search button to see available stays. Airbnb will now show you a list of properties including rooms, apartments, and houses. To find cheaper options, start by adjusting the price filter. Set a lower price range so only budget-friendly listings appear. You can also use filters like type of place and choose a private room or shared space, which are usually cheaper than entire homes. Another important tip is to be flexible with your dates. Prices on Airbnb can change depending on demand, weekends, or holidays. If possible, try shifting your dates slightly to find lower prices. Staying for longer durations can also sometimes reduce the cost per night, as many hosts offer weekly or monthly discounts. Always check the total price before booking, not just the nightly rate. Sometimes cleaning fees and service charges can increase the final cost. Look for listings that offer free cancellation as well, so you have flexibility if your plans change. When you find a good option, click on it to view more details. Check the photos, read the description carefully, and go through guest reviews. A cheaper place is only worth it if it is safe, clean, and reliable. Look for listings with good ratings and positive feedback. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Reserve or Book button. Enter your details, confirm your stay, and complete the payment. After booking, you'll receive a confirmation with all the details of your stay. In this tutorial, we learned how to find cheap Airbnb stays by using price filters, choosing budget-friendly property types, checking total costs, and being flexible with travel dates. These simple tips can help you save money while still finding a comfortable place to stay. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.